Hello, writers! I am the Pen Mother, here to tell you all about how to be a happy, healthy, productive writer, or to at least get some decent words onto the page. Today, I'm starting a series with you all that I will build on from time to time. I call it Chemistry Lessons, and you can search for that title throughout these pep talks. I am of the belief that one of the greatest tricks you can pull off as a writer is the creation of chemistry in your characters' relationships. What is character chemistry? I'm sure most of you have some idea of what I'm talking about, but here is how I define it. Character chemistry is the flow of energy between one character and another. Characters that have excellent chemistry have a lot of energy flowing between them. Characters with poor chemistry have little or no energy flowing between them. Energy is a match lighting a stream of gasoline. It is the electricity flowing to a light bulb. It's lightning connecting the clouds to the ground. So when you're writing your characters, if you want to create chemistry, you must convey the transfer of energy from one character to another. If you've ever watched a really great tennis match, you can see the energy flowing between the opponents in the form of the ball whizzing back and forth over the net. This is oppositional chemistry, and it's the kind of chemistry that's embodied in the protagonist-antagonist relationship. The antagonist strikes with words or deeds. The protagonist must react, adjust, and then also strike back, send the ball back over the net. The opposite of oppositional chemistry is buddy chemistry. Buddy chemistry is everything from friends to family members to lovers. It's the kind of chemistry you have with your allies, but it's still a transfer of energy from person to person. I think of buddy chemistry as more like beach volleyball. Both team members are ready to receive the ball from the opposing team, but the ball, the energy, comes to one team member who doesn't send it back over to the other side right away. They set up the energy for their teammate, who in turn sets them up again. And the energy between the two teammates builds with each setup until one team member slams the ball to the opposition. React, set up, spike. My favorite part of good writing is good chemistry between characters. And I also think that the characters and stories that we love the most, that are the most popular, are so loved because of the chemistry between the characters. We are social creatures who depend on each other for our very survival. Connecting and communicating are the two most important things we as humans do. Without connection and communication, there would be no civilization. And frankly, no more humans, as we depend on connecting to continue the species, right? So, as we get into chemistry throughout our talks, remember that it is an exchange of energy between two parties. Start to look for examples of fictional chemistry that work and chemistry that falls flat. Start to think about why some character relationships make you laugh, cheer, or swoon, and why some leave you cold. I would love to hear what pairings you all think have amazing chemistry, because I love to analyze why. Also, I'm a complete sucker for crackling, red-hot chemistry. I'll just give you a few to think about as a parting gift, and maybe if you want, as homework to go check out for yourselves. You probably know most of these. Here they are. Han Solo and Chewbacca. Also Han and Leia, but Han and Chewbacca. The Guardians of the Galaxy, especially in part one, that whole team. The Avengers, the whole team in their first movie. Katharine Hepburn and Spencer Tracy. The characters Olivia and Peter in the J.J. Abrams series Fringe, especially in seasons 3 and 4. Matthew and Mary Crawley from Downton Abbey. Scully and Mulder from The X-Files. Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy from Pride and Prejudice. There, I said it. All iterations, but especially the book and the BBC miniseries. Harry, Hermione, and Ron from Harry Potter. Excellent team chemistry, especially in the books. There are so many more, but you get the idea. When you capture the exchange of energy between characters and figure out what charges them up, sparks will fly, and your audience will be so there for it.